Tip 10. Cater to your platform. Each social media site focuses on something different. Tip 9. Know your audience by looking at the ways they interact with your content. Tip 8. Post content worth engaging with, such as discussion topics, questions, polls, and relatable memes. Tip 7. Make sure you use exciting visuals. Tip 6. Follow a post schedule. Consistency is still key for social media engagement. Tip 5. Set goals and define metrics to track what works and what doesn't. To do this, utilize Hootsuite, Sprout Social, or Google Analytics. Tip 4. Increase social media engagement on all your platforms by promoting other sites. Tip 3. Build your own community by interacting with other companies to boost your own social media engagement within the platform. Tip 2. Utilize and reply to comments fast to create buzz around your page. Tip 1. Most importantly, the best way to boost your social media engagement on Threads is to have fun.